Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be going through the iOS 26, which will be like the next year iOS. So we're gonna start with the cameras, and as you can see the camera have changed a little bit. You can see like it just says video and photo, and it looks more compact and everything looks more clean. So when you press the upper right, it shows you the cleaner way of compact things, so you have everything that you need on your right hand upright, so you can see everything in there, your flash, your live, everything you need are the most important things are the up, and the least thing you use are downstairs. So I'm going to show you how a little bit of the liquid glass there, so you can scroll through. If you're on your photo, you can scroll through, you can see how basically it looks like a glass going through each and every selection of the photos and videos. And I think that's pretty clean, that's pretty nice, and everything else is the same thing. And I think this look makes it look more like minimalist in my opinion, which is next thing next that we're gonna use is check out the new photo thing that it showed us that you can use for your wallpaper. So I'm gonna use this photo, and you can see there'll be a little button on your upper right, which they call spatial scene. Is basically making it like a 3D version of the picture, right? As you can see, when you tilt it, it looks like the picture you can see all around it, basically like a 3D version of it. I'm gonna use another picture for you to see, which is one of my favorite pictures that has been taken, which is the Muhammad Ali one. And as you can see, it looks pretty clean. It looks like even like the picture is coming out of the phone, which I'm going to use this now and take you to the next step, right? And the next version that we're going to use it is, as you can see through all this iOS 26, is the new wallpaper theme, basically the way you can customize it for your lock screen, which your lock screen is the mostly the things you can see. So as you put it on your lock screen, your new time, you can make it large, big, and even though this picture is not in special scene yet, as you know Apple says it, you can put it in special scene, and you basically adjust the clock based on how you put it. So the bigger, the lower, and you can adjust it yourself the way you want it to look. But I like it to take out a special scene because it makes you to adjust it the way. And I think this is the cleanest of wallpaper and lock screen I've ever seen. I think it's clear, clean, and cool. So the most important thing that you'll be seeing in this new iOS 26 is basically the liquid glass, and you will find it everywhere, which everything is made to look like a glass or liquid glass as they say it. And I'm going to scroll down the notification bar slowly, and you can see how everything just blurs out and then becomes clear, blurs out and then becomes clear, basically looking like a liquid glass. And this new animation is pretty cool and pretty clean, but mostly is basically aesthetics, right? So even if you turn off your dark mode, a little bit changes, but you can't see it clearly until you edit and customize it, and then you have this new option that says clear, which takes everything on your main home into a clear basically app thingy. So this I think is mostly based on aesthetic. I don't think I'll be using this anytime soon. Some people might like it, some people might not like it. It might be a bit of a gimmick for me, but it might be pretty cool. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Comment down below your most iOS 26 things that you like, the new features that you like. Comment it down below. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, you beautiful people. Peace.